Oh. Oh, where is Mama gonna sit? Right there? Oh, okay.
Pizza Quest, do not touch my SpongeBob movie collection.
Mikey's a bitch.
So it's completely different. The way you make.
Yo, you good? All right.
How do I pet? How do we? Oh.
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
So what did you do while I was gone today?
Should I eat healthy tonight? No, I didn't think so.
I would die for you.
She looked at me and stopped!
Should I get a dog?
What are you doing? I'm still mad at you. Get out!
Who would you save in a burning building, me or Kenzie?
You?
Why are you doing this?
Fred, can you turn that off, please?
We're gonna have to sell your feet pictures. Oh.
I need y'all to meow at the same time, please.
Hello.
Where is Mama gonna sit? Right there? Oh, okay.
You paused it, babe. There you go.
Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up?
Mikey's a bitch.
So it's completely different. The way you.
Should I eat healthy tonight? No, I didn't think so.
Are you hungry?
Right after surgery? Are you kidding?
Oh my god.
Ne napade.
Helicopter, helicopter!
Of my uber autism. Observe.
I'm just a girl.
이게 뭐예요? 이게 뭐예요?
Hi, babies.
Oh my God, my Shayla, my Shayla.
Hi, sweet baby. Uh-oh.
What the f? Oh.
My baby, my baby.
Ay, qué linda que está mi chiquitita. Ay, qué linda que está mi chiquitita.
Oh no.
I'd like to be a peeping Tom if I can. I'll watch your whole family eat dinner.
Sweetie, what's in there? Oh.
Sweetie.
Okay, you're going straight to jail.
Franklin, you're a jerk. Stop it.
No, 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 no.
How long has this been going on?
No! Dude, you're shitting our avocados!
Hey.
Good thing we got this net to keep you out of there. Do not.
This is my great cat.
Stop, you're scaring me. You're scaring me.
Excuse you!
Time for school. Come on, man.
Mama.
No. Oh, Louie.
Так, когда твой кот дебил.
Oh my god! Oh my god!